Look, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, everybody's using them, and that's exactly the problem. When every creator, every freelancer, every business is running the same tools, nobody has an edge. Zero differentiation. I've spent years watching how this space evolves, and right now the people actually pulling ahead, they're quietly running 5 tools that most of you haven't even Googled yet. I'm breaking all 5 down today, and I'll tell you exactly which one to start with based on what you do. First up, WorkBeaver AI, your digital intern. This one's been gaining serious traction in Reddit's AI communities this year, and once you see it, you'll understand why. Here's how it works. You show it a task once, click by click, step by step. It watches, learns the pattern, and from that point forward, it runs that task automatically. No coding, no setup. Just show it once and it handles the rest. I used it for a repetitive research task. It took me 8 minutes the first time I showed it. Every run after that handled automatically while I moved on to other work. But what surprised me even more, tool number 2 is from Google. They built something genuinely brilliant, and then basically forgot to tell anyone about it. NotebookLM. You've probably heard the name. Almost nobody's using it correctly. The actual move is the audio overview feature. Upload any long document, a report, a research paper, a 60-page PDF, and it generates a full podcast-style audio breakdown in about 30 seconds. Google quietly built one of the most useful AI tools in existence and did essentially zero marketing for it. Now, before we go further, I want to flag something. Tool number 4 is the one I use every single day without fail, but I want to get there properly because tool number 3 is specifically for Mac users, and it is genuinely one of the most dramatic workflow shifts I've ever experienced. Raycast AI. Mac's the best experience, but there's a Windows beta now too. It's AI built directly into your desktop. One keyboard shortcut, and you can write, summarize, translate, or search without ever switching windows. It replaced 4 separate apps for me. One honest note, the launcher's free, but the AI features need Raycast Pro, about $8 a month. Or you can plug in your own API key and skip that. The productivity shift this creates is one of those things that's genuinely hard to explain until you've used it for a week. I know, you're already sold. But hold on, because tool number 4 is the one I use every single day, and it's a completely different category of useful. Mem AI. An AI second brain that actually remembers. Everything you write, save, or paste gets indexed. Then you ask it questions. And it finds the answer from your own notes, your own history, with full context pulled up instantly. I asked about a campaign strategy I'd written months ago. It found the exact notes in seconds. That's not just a feature. That's a fundamentally different way of working. Seriously. Open a new tab after this and just ask it something from 6 months ago. You'll see what I mean. And the last tool on my list is the one that has completely changed how I put my scripts together. Whisperflow. Voice-to-text AI, but nothing like the robotic dictation you're used to. You just talk the way you actually talk. It strips the filler, formats the structure, and produces writing that sounds like you, not a rough transcript. I tested it on a full content brief, spoke for about 2 minutes, completely unscripted, and what came out was genuinely ready to work with, barely needed editing. If you do any kind of written content work, this one is worth 10 minutes of your time just to try. All right, rapid fire breakdown. Best free option, NotebookLM. Zero cost, massive return, especially if you're research heavy. Best for power users, Mem AI. If you write or create at any volume, this one changes your workflow. Best for beginners, zero learning curve, Whisperflow. You already know how to talk, that's the whole setup. Drop a comment. Which one are you trying first? I'll be in there replying for the first hour after this goes live. And if you want me to do a full setup guide on any of these, tell me which one in the comments. Most requested gets the next VI.